Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Now we are going to edit nature tune. And let's start. You can get presets file from the description box. If this is first time viewed watching my video or this is the first time you are visiting my channel, make sure you that hit the subscribe button. First, brightness editing. Exposure minus 0.42. Contrast minus 16. Highlights minus 41. Shadows 38. White 60. And black minus 60. Then curve. You want me to make more kind of videos? Make sure you comment below, and hey friends, don't forget to subscribe.
Under pressure, no more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking.
Temperature minus 10. Tint 1. Vibrance 41. And saturation minus 10. Red Q4. Saturation minus 4. Luminance 0. Orange Q9. Saturation minus 4. Luminance 0. Yellow hue minus 64. Saturation minus 51. Luminance minus 16. Green hue minus 17. Saturation minus 80. Luminance minus 12. Light blue Q10. Saturation minus 30. Luminance minus 11. Blue hue 0. Saturation minus 5. Luminance 11. Violet hue minus 30. Saturation minus 95. Luminance 100. Rose hue 0. Saturation -100. Luminance 0. Effects. Clarity -6. Dehaze 12. Vignette -24. Midpoint 27. Feather 45. Roundness 37. Spotlight. Highlights 15 and saturation 16. Shadows 187.13.
This bed that I'm in feels too big without you. Don't know how to quit thinking about you.
Then last details. Sharpening 14.
Those green eyes, sweet lips,
Masking
your
18.
hands on mine.
Noise reduction
My
16.
puzzle pieces fit. These sheets, your smell.
Color noise reduction 30.
I'm asking for your help. What I need you to do is love me. Love me. What I need you to do is love me. Love me. We dance in the dark, but I see you clearly. My head is a wreck when I don't have you near me.